Hi there, let's get your hip feeling nice. Orient the wrap with the longer strap at the waist, the hose connector pointed down, and the blue surface facing the body. Feed the longer strap around your waist and draw towards your center line, securing the strap on the wrap. Draw the shorter elastic strap from the inside of the leg and secure on top of the quad. The target fit for both being comfortably snug with minimal creasing. Once fitted, with the machine set to run, connect the hose to the wrap, and you are now ready to run the prescribed programs. To switch sides, leave the torso Velcro fastened, switch to the other hip, and apply the shorter elastic strap. Have a nice one.